The bang. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. All right, we're gonna get into this wig right here. And this is by YASGRL, okay? Look at this wig, you guys. So I got the Silky bob with bangs. And it is just, as I'm combing it, it's just like, look at all that body, like so much movement, like it's crazy. This is a silky straight bob, silky straight bob, silky straight bob, okay? And 10 inches in length, you guys. This is 100% human hair, 100% human hair. And let me just show you guys the inside again. This is a beginner friendly wig, you guys, and the reason why I say that is because it is showing you a little bit of lace here. So it's definitely beginner friendly, definitely low maintenance. You guys don't even have to, if you're not even really like experienced when it comes to lace, this will be a perfect beginner wig for you. A lot of people are scared about trying lace. You know, they're just so used to regular, whatever their regular routine is, whether it be sew-ins or like quick weaves, which is perfectly fine. But if you wanted to get like an introduction to a closure wig, this, you know, you can start from the very like, this is such a beginner wig, you guys. Like literally minimal lace, but enough lace to make it look realistic. Look at that. So let's put it on, y'all. I'm excited. Ooh. No, I'm just kidding. Ooh, what if I really look like that? Oh my goodness. Okay. So right out the box, right out the package, this is like a perfect fit. Sometimes I be getting wigs and they be making it seem like my head is just overly huge. And I know that ain't the case, okay? Pull my wig cap a little bit more. But this is what this wig looks like, and I am all for it. Like, I'm literally in love with this wig. I'm like obsessed with this wig already. It's giving bump all day, okay, boy? It's giving bump on the ends, okay? But I'm going to just pull this wig cap because, okay, that's better. I am really liking this wig already, and the very fact, like, look at this parting on the closure. It's at least like, let's see, it's a good inch wide. So if you feel like it is not straight enough, you could definitely part it down the middle and make it as straight as you want. I'm just gonna use a little bit of my Care wax stick. So it's definitely on an angle. Definitely like that old-fashioned type of bob look. I'm gonna get my flat irons that I love so much. from Hair Art. I'm not gonna put any product on my hair because I just don't want to do that. And so guys, I am going to kind of just like get this out the way so we can unbump majority of this hair. Just not a fan of like super bumped hair. Just not. It just ain't me, honey. So a trick that I saw, I think it was from another hairstylist if I'm not mistaken, because she had got like a nice bump in her bangs. This was a long time ago when the girls was loving to wear bangs a lot. So if you want like a little fullness in your bang, you're gonna bump and go straight down. If that makes any type of sense, y'all. And that's where I kind of learned that from. How I have my bangs now, just like this. Cause that's kind of the look that I was going for. It's giving like 2015, not even 2015, more like I literally saw this girl do this in high school. Like no bab. Like I literally saw her do this style of this style of bang when I was in high school, and I just loved it so much. It was giving like a Black China look, and I actually really did like how Black China used to wear her bangs back then, because it just looked so, her bangs just always looked full. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I did again. I'm gonna get these short pieces out from over here. And show you guys exactly how I achieved this again. So let's do it again. So first, grab the bang, because it's going, all your hair is just gonna go everywhere. Just grab your bang, okay? Now, get your flat iron, hold it, okay? Get your comb. Make sure you get your comb underneath so you can hold it and it's not pressing, okay? We're gonna go over this again. Get your bob. I keep saying bob. Lord help us. Bump. Go down. Okay? And you see how that's kind of like a bump right there? We're going to do the middle. Grab your bang. Curl a little bit and just go down like that. Just go straight down. You're gonna get your bang, bump it straight, okay? That's how we're gonna do it. Get your comb. Bump. Stay there, straight. And it's kind of like I just feel like it gives like a fuller look, but that's just me. You guys might not like this type style bang, which is fine. I just like the small bump that it's giving me, and I'm just gonna kind of, this long hair in the front just really bothering me. So is weird how this is like this, but yes, girl, y'all killed it. I will definitely be putting the link to their Amazon store in the description box. You guys go ahead and get this, okay? Go ahead and get this.